Okay, this country A has an exponential growth rate of 3.3% per year. That means that at the end of every year, there'll be 3.3% more people than there were the year before. So there's the growth rate. But when we want to write an exponential growth function, we need to have this base be what's called a multiplicative rate of change. And that is always 1 plus whatever the growth rate is. So 1.033 is our base. You can think of this as the number of people we started with plus 0.33 or 0.33% of what we started with. So that's how many people we increase by, how many people we have at the end of each year. This number right here is the initial value. And that kind of proves that we have it right here. Current population, 5,374,000. I just put f of 1 in here to show you that the function does give us exponential growth. Here's a table with some values. There is a value, x of 2, that does give us this 2 times 10 to the 10th. That's actually the, what do we got? 20 billion people. Okay, 1 per square yard just means you'll have 20 billion people. So we want to know, when does this value right here equal 20 billion? 2 times 10 to the 10th. We want to isolate this variable x. The easiest way to do that is to divide both sides by this initial value, which is what I represented right here. I just called it A for convenience. That looks like about 3,721.622. So here, that's what 1.033 to the x power is, this decimal value right here. And to solve for x, I need to take the natural log of both sides. So ln of a equals ln of 1.033 to the x, but then I can move that exponent down front and finally solve for this variable right here. Okay, and so x equals this right here. Now I've got that hidden under this blue rectangle here. Why don't you pause the video and see if you can come up with the correct answer. And I'll assume you've done that, and let's reveal the answer here. Looks like it's about 253 years, rounded to the nearest integer. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.